Asiphinde sibingelele kuwemlaleli Ntuzuma TV inkosenye lo wakabiyela isibongo namhlanje sihlangene la eDurban High Court lapho umndeni wakaZuma, not only umndeni wakaZuma, iMK party yonke jikelele ihlangene izophezelezela uDuduzile Zuma ezevela enkantolo namhlanje. Mfowethu kunjani?
Angibingelele kuwena msakazi, ngibukele nababukele ebakhaya okhulumayo uqiniso wacibane nomongameli wabantu abasha weMK. Ngiyaphila ngumqemana nje.
Ihlangene ifamily ngaphakathi ecourt case kuhamba kanjani osukwini la namhlanje?
No, angibonge ithuba esilitholayo nathi siMK Youth League. Cha, sithe asiphume ngobuningi bethu nathi sabantu abasha sizosupporta uComrade Duduzile Zuma, who's a member of the MK party, oyilunga eleParliament and MK Party National Assembly, aphinde futhi abe ilunga lePan African Parliament. Sithe asiphume somsupporta sizozikwenzakalani so far esikuzwe phakathi bathi icase yapostponwa till Monday umhla ka-17. Siyabona ke phakathi ukuthi cha umuntu ofakazi wabhala ama statement owavula necala akanazo izimpendulo ngoba mebuza ukuthi ama tweets aComrade Duduzile Zuma a-insert kanjani iviolence uyahlula ukuchaza ngobani into yena yepost into evele esuke siyenzeka yenziwa abantu athi kuphela uyababona. So she failed to give explanation ukuthi how is that instigating violence, because there was something vele esikhona yenziwa abantu owake kuphela nje kuphela uyabona abantu benzani kuphela, that's all.
Alright, kwakwenzeka lokho ngesikhathi kwenzeka lesigameko, what make the state takes this long ukuthi baze bamprosecute usisi?
Angithi ke ila sikhala khona siMK Youth League ukuthi if uDuduzile did something wrong bakufuneka ngo2021 state simcharge. Why state silinde 4 years kuyimass imcharge? Why state silinde kuze kube khona iMK party abe ilunga leParliament kuyimass imcharge? Siyabona ukuthi our judicial system inamehlo khona babonayo khona engababoni, kodwa ke siyazi ukuthi awukho akurong akwenza, justice will be served.
Lizoqhubekela inini icala because namhlanje sehlehlisiwe?
Ngingasho ukuthi icala liyaqhubeka next week Monday mhla ka-17 liyaqhubeka. Silinde bona ke manje ke from Monday sobe sila sigcwele inkalo zethe kusiMK Youth League so support one of our own, because ungasho ukuthi this main purpose of this case is to discredit the MK party from its constituency. Now i-constituency MK party abantu bonke bala eMzansi Afrika, because yona hlangana abayithanda ababelievela ukuthi izokwazi ukufeza izidingo zabo.
Hayi, siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu, sithembe ukuthi usisi uzoyithola ijustice which is Duduzile Zuma.
Mandla.